Hello dear students, I am Dr.S.D.Pagar, Associate Professor, Department of Geography. Dear student, I welcome all of you in this online lecture series on behalf of Maratha Vidya Prasara Samajas, KRT Arts, BS Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as K.T.M. College Nasik. Dear student, this is our M.Sc. Part 1st, Geography class, semester 2nd and paper code is 130. The title of our subject is Geography of Tourism. Dear student, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, Indian Tourism. And in this topic, we are going to discuss the very important case studies that we have about the tourist places, the famous tourist places in India. Let us start with the first case study of hill station, that is Kulu Manali. Dear student, Manali is a beautiful hill station that lie in the lap of Himalaya. The Manali has grown from a trading village to a small town, and now it is famous as a hill station or the major tourist place of India. Dear student, if you want to visit as a tourist at this place, then October to February is the winter season and is considered to be the best time to visit Manali. Dear student, if you like to cold, then January month is the best to enjoy the chilly pleasure of the fresh snowfall and the good climate of this place. If you want to stay here, then there are several 3 and the 4-star hotel which you can choose as per your budget. So that also we have a very good option that available here. Dear student, let us talk about the where actually this Kulu Manali is located. Manali is a resort and a tourist town that is located in the mountain of Himachal Pradesh. This is the map of Himachal Pradesh, and this red point indicates the actually location of the Manali that we have available in the Himachal Pradesh. It is located near the northern end of the Kulu Valley in the Bias River Valley. Dear student, it is located in the Kulu district and about 270 kilometers north of the state capital, that is Simla, and 544 kilometers away from the northeast of the Delhi, the national capital. Dear student, the valley is known for its amazing hills and the various temple and sightseeing locations that attract a huge number of visitors and tourists each and every year. Dear student, let us talk about the how you can able to reach at the Kulu Manali. You have 3 options. You can go by the road or railway, and even you can prefer the airway also. If you want to go by railway, then this is also very important option you have. The best and the most effective way to reach Manali is by road. Road connected from the Manali to the different places of the India, especially it include Delhi, that is a 540 kilometer, Chandigarh, that is 305 kilometer, Dehradun, 227 kilometer, and Ambala is 370 kilometers. From this city, you can directly connect toward the Manali by road. There are several private buses that will connect the hill station with the different part of the state. If you are interested do the journey by train, then that option also you have available in this place. Especially Jogindarnagar railway station is the nearest railhead to Manali that connect the hill station that the Kulu Manali with the several important cities of the country. For example, Chandigarh and Ambala are the other option to reach Manali by train from the railhead, and therefore you can also prefer the train also. If you want to go by air, then that option is also available here. The Buntar airport located at the distance of only 10 kilometers away from the Manali, and it is the gateway to this region. Dear students, tourists who prefer and can afford to fly cut down on the travel time quickly, and thus they can have a lot of more time to enjoy the Manali, because you know that when you travel through the air, then definitely within short period you can able to reach there, and then definitely you have a lot of time to spend here in this beautiful hill station. Dear student, the flights are available from all major cities of India, even the rest part of the world also. Easily you can reach here by train. What are the major attractions that we have in the Kulu Manali? First, very important attraction that most people, tourists would like to visit, that the Hidimba Devi temple. It is one of the top place to visit in the Manali. Dear student, you know that this is a beautiful temple said to be dedicated of the Hidimba, the wife of the Pandu's son Bhima, and is one of the best places to visit in the Manali city. And the most important feature of this temple, that this temple is totally surrounded by the pine and deodar tree, and that look like a very beautiful scene. The greenery of this place is very, very beautiful, and that attract the thousands of the tourists from the various part of the world. Every day they visited this place. And one important thing that it is one of the most popular religious place to see in the Manali. Let us talk of the another important place that we have to visit the Manali, that is the Museum of the Himachal Culture and Folk Art. Dear student, the Museum of Himachal Culture and Folk Art is the one of the important location of the Manali that we have for the tourist attraction. The Museum of the Himachal Culture and Folk Art located in the Manali has a beautiful collection of ancient and traditional heritage belonging to the region from the different part of the Himachal Pradesh since the 1990. It includes especially household objects, the weapons, instruments, scale, models, and among the many other the things that definitely you would like to see there. The one important thing that this museum also displays the models of the old temple, old houses, and the forts. They appear in a 3D form, and that really the main attraction. This is the architecture, the design, and everything is looking very beautiful. Definitely, you will enjoy the beauty of this all the museum that we have, the various articles and the things that are we available inside this article in this museum. Let us talk about the another important attraction of this Manali is Manu Temple. Dear student, it is a nearly 3 kilometers away from the famous mall road of the Manali. The Manu Temple is among the frequently visited tourist place in Manali. Most of the people visited regularly this place when they have a tour of the Himachal Pradesh, or especially I am talking about the Manali. Dear student, another important, very important, the point of or the place of the attraction that we have available in the Manali, that is the Solong Valley. Dear student, a valley between the Biaspur and the Solong village tend to be a favorite for all its visitors as well as the local people. Dear student, it is also known as the Snow Point. The Solong Valley is the famous not only for the glacier but also the snow-clad landscape. Dear student, it's also for the countless activity that one can enjoy here, because we have a lot of options to carry out the various activity here, and that give a lot of enjoy and the pleasure to visitor or to a tourist. Another important location or the spot of attraction that we have available in the Kulu Manali, that is slope of Solong Valley and the Rohtang Pass, a major tourist spot of the North India. Manali is known for its the excellent skiing condition, with the skiing visiting from all over the country, that we have a really very good option that available in this location. The undulating slope of the Solong Valley and the Rohtang are the ideal ground for the professional skiing and Manali. Dear student, you know that if you are an adventure lover, leave yourself in the hand of your professional trainer to feel the thrill of skiing in the Manali. That will have a really very good experience. You will take yours, because all the condition is very favorable for the skiing activity that you can carry out here. Dear student, January is the best month to enjoy the chilly pleasure of the fresh snowfall, because the temperature drop down below the 0 degree Celsius, that give a very suitable condition for the skiing activity that we have available at this Rohtang Pass. Dear student, this was about the a major attraction of. But when you visit these places, definitely you will face a problem. Especially in this place, we have a lack of the adequate parking place. Then we have the shopping is very costly. Lack of train guide or train tourist guide is not available here, and negligible here and rail link that will available here. Especially I'm talking about the lack of the tourist guide is a major problem, because if the guide is not with us, then definitely we are not able to get a lot of information, historical information and the other related information about that particular spot that are available in that place. Therefore, these are the major problem that we're facing when we visited this Manali. Otherwise, this is a very beautiful place, very important hill station of northern India. Dear student, this was about today's lecture. If you want to get more information about the Kulu Manali, definitely you can use this all the website. They have sufficient and lot of information about this hill station that really useful for your update your notes. Dear student, this was about today's lecture. In next lecture, we are going to discuss another very famous hill station, that is the Mahabaleshwar, that is the paradise of Maharashtra. Okay, thank you.